Advanced Orthomolecular Research AOR, MaxMethyl, 90 Vegetarian Capsules. Product Overview Description. Methylating agents and cofactors. Advanced vegan non-GMO gluten-free dietary supplement. GMP Manufacturing. Quality assured independent testing. Discussion. MaxMethyl has nutrients that support the body's healthy methylation, an important process for overall health. MaxMethyl also promotes healthy homocysteine metabolism. Suggested use. Take 1 capsule 3 times per day with or without food, or as directed by a qualified healthcare practitioner. Other ingredients. Capsule, hypromellose and purified water, and sodium stearyl fumerate. AOR guarantees that all ingredients have been declared on the label. Made without wheat, gluten, corn, nuts, peanuts, sesame seeds, sulfites, mustard, soy, dairy, eggs, fish, shellfish or any animal byproduct. Warnings. Do not use if safety seal is broken. Store tightly sealed in a cool, dry place. Consult your physician before use if you are pregnant, lactating, have a medical condition, or if you're taking any medication. Keep out of reach of children. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.